Are you drinking water? Yes, I even have to ask that question this day and age, as crazy as that is. But are you drinking water, and are you drinking enough water? Two important questions. For most people, again, I'll be here in the gym, and same in general, people are consuming tons of coffees and teas and soft drinks and energy drinks and Prime and Monster and all this bullshit and garbage and toxic chemicals into the body. That's not going to help them. It's going to decrease their ability to get results, and it's going to decrease their health. And they do all that instead of drinking water, because you realise your brain's 83% water, it doesn't retain water. Your body's 75% water, and your muscles, it's not about protein, muscles are full of water as well, 70-75% water depending on what scientific research you see. Water is the most important thing to your body after air. We can't survive a few seconds without oxygen. Water's next. Are you drinking enough water? Are you drinking the right kind of water? Personally, I invested in a medical grade device 14 years ago. Best investment ever made. It ensures I get the best quality water and my loved ones every single day. Drink water, drink more of it, drink good water.